Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Open Contacts. Google.com and sign in to the correct Google account. Confirm you are using the account that stores your contacts. Before changing anything, export a backup with Export as Google CSV. Save the CSV file to a known folder on your computer. Keep that file until you finish cleaning duplicates. This backup lets you restore contacts if something goes wrong. Do not skip the backup step before you proceed to merge contacts. Click the left menu and choose Merge and Fix to find suggested duplicates. Review each suggestion and check phone numbers and email addresses before you merge. Select duplicates you trust and click Merge to combine information into a single contact. For missed duplicates, use the search box to find similar names or emails. Open both contact cards and use the three-dot menu to merge them manually when needed. Repeat until Merge and Fix reports no more suggestions. After merging, verify contact details across devices to ensure consistency. If you make a mistake, use Undo Changes or Restore to revert up to 30 days. To restore from your backup, import the CSV file you saved earlier using Settings, Import. Check other synced accounts in Settings to prevent cross-account duplicates from returning. On your phone, open the Contacts app and force a sync if changes do not appear.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.